why do we use plant-based enzymes? Why choose to use plant-based enzymes?
Well, I would say the first thing is there's an easier standardization in my mind of fermenting a substrate into a plant-based enzyme. It's a fermentation process, and if you have our protocol guide, you'll see there's a complete list of all the enzymes that we have and the sources of those enzymes and what they're used for. They're in our protocol guide that we put out. But there's a certain standardization, there's a certain purity that ERC, Troy, who has the largest enzyme company in the United States, he prefers to use the plant-based enzymes because of those reasons.
Yeah, I've been to ERC, and Troy, in the best kind of way, is a very intense guy. I mean, he's an American Ninja Warrior course in one of his buildings. So for him, performance and the things he does recreationally have kind of been the test bed for his products. So when it comes to sourcing the best quality there is, he kind of puts that above price or anything else. And purity is really kind of the vein which he tries to espouse how he formulates and has made his products in the past. The other thing about plant-based enzymes versus animal-based enzymes is they have a broader pH range, which in some scenarios might be more effective in the ability to target certain tissues under certain conditions. Like bodily pH is, I think, a very complicated but misunderstood topic. Take certain foods and they say, oh, this is an alkalizing food, this is an acidifying food. The long and short of it is typically you see acidification under disease-like conditions. Anywhere there's an inflammatory process, there's a lack of energy being made. So that area of the body is going to be far more acidic. So you want an enzyme that has the ability to cover all the pH bases. So if you need something that's effective in an acidic medium, you got it. And I don't really know where an alkaline medium would be something that you'd be targeting. But if you have a pH range that operates from 1 to 12, you have everything covered in theory. And I think that's a claim that we can make with plant-based enzymes, is that they have a wider cast net of efficacious activity given pH ranges.